Somebody said Bill Jr. back. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, somebody said Bill Jr. back. Say it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see it.
It's the OG ride.
Clear skies out here. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yeah. Yeah, we stay ready. Say Bill Jr. back. Bill Jr. back. Yes, sir. Hey, somebody done tell me, Mr. Bill, Mrs. Bill, and Big Bertha, they going to run to the sun in about 18 more days. Hey, y'all better get over there and follow Mr. Bill. Big Bertha is going to run to the sun. But guess what, man? I done got me a little problem. Bill on the budget, Junior got a little small problem. Like Bill said, Houston, we have a problem. Just a little small one though. But I think I got a solution for the little problem, right? Y'all stay locked and watch this. Y'all see it? Sparrow. But check this out, man. This is the little small problem I got. Alright, y'all. So this is the problem we having, right? So my driver's side ain't working, it ain't going down. It'll go up, but it will not go down. My passenger side work. My dang vent windows work. I don't think my locks work. My lock don't work. But it's really about this right here. This is the little problem I'm having. My switch, I want my window to down, right? So, turn y'all around. Me being built on the budget, I'm gonna show y'all what I came up with. Watch this. Alright, you see that right there, right? So we got our custom console, right? Full cup holder. TV screen. You know what I mean? Let me tell you what I come up with. Alright, y'all. Come out here to our donor truck, right? So, see this right here? Yes, sir. That's what I'm thinking. I can use this right here and put it on the console. Customize it on the console, right? So watch this. Alright, now, use your imagination. Use your imagination. But yeah, I have all my window controls right here on the center console, right? But then I started thinking, alright, I just cut all of this out. Or just take this whole thing off, of course. But then it's like, probably like cut it right here to where it just fall down in it. You know what I mean? Move this right here. It'll fall down on it. And another thing I was thinking, well, see, I got the rear view mirror, but they don't move, right? They stationary. This right here is power. So, what if I made that power too? Man, what y'all think, man? But yeah, what y'all think for real, man? Yay, nay, what y'all think? I think it's a good idea, man. I'ma try it anyway, man. Whether y'all say yay, nay, hey, it don't matter what y'all say. I'ma try it anyway. I'm built on the budget, Junior. I just wanted to tap in with y'all, man. See how y'all, see what y'all think about this little idea I came up with. Know what I mean? I'm gonna see if I can put it in motion though. That's the only way we'll really see what it work. Gotta put it in motion. Hey, but I'll tap back in with y'all later, man. Appreciate y'all watching, man. If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hey, leave me a comment, man, and make sure y'all running over there to Mr. Built. You know what I mean? Leave him a comment. Subscribe to his channel also. Hey, we out here. Peace.